It's about having a client look at the project at the end and having that client say, like, we got it. And there's no better way to say you nailed it than when you have a visual like this. So today we're here at a custom home and we're talking about a Glenview door that we did. Now this client came to us because they wanted to do a custom door. They wanted to have that look and experience. That's something that you don't see on every house, and they absolutely captured it with this Glenview door. They wanted something special, and you can see we did this beautiful mahogany door with 2 side lights. They actually added a smart glass technology after the fact to it, so it's pretty cool. You flip a switch, it can be obscure or not. But what's really special about this door, they kind of came to us with some inspiration photos. They came into the showroom, we did a consult with them, really worked with them to digest what exactly they wanted to do, and this is what we came up with. So we lowered the bottom panel, so it's like a 3/4 panel. By doing that on the lower section, makes the door feel taller, makes it feel bigger, and we didn't do a stain. Like, so many times when you talk about a wood entry door, you're talking about a stain, and you're talking about how to capture the beauty of that wood. You can absolutely do that with a painted finish. They do RAL paint colors with Glenview doors. This is an umber gray. So from a distance, it looks almost stained, but that paint finish on there still allows that beautiful wood grain to come through, and really just that matte finish on there captures the beauty of that wood. You can see here, we also did, just to make it a little more ornate, there's some applied moldings that are on the door as well as the raised panel on here. Now, that just adds a depth to this door and really gives it some drama and some design on a house that is modern to an extent, but is transitional in that. You know, this door, depending on the hardware that you put on there, depending on the color you paint, the house around it, could work in a really modern house or a very traditional house. It's really open to interpretation, and I think that's exciting when you look at that door. So a beautiful front entranceway, painted, not stained, so something kind of different there. There's gorgeous M-Tech hardware on there with the knurled handle set, and the large Wilshire backplate on there really just speaks to the quality and incorporates a multi-point locking system, which is important. It's going to engage in multiple places. I think it really just makes a cool statement. One other thing that's pretty different about this door, and what's cool as like a honorable mention, I guess, in the features, is that we did direct set side lights with a door that's a pretty traditional door. So again, kind of combining that modern and traditional views in a house. So it's not your ultra modern Jetsons style front door, but it's also not that colonial 6-panel. It's something kind of in between. And I think when you look at the way people live these days and kind of how it works, we have modern features in our house, but we're also holding to that traditional view for the overall view of a home. I think they captured it really well here by doing that. So full glass on the side lights, no stiles and rails on that, just glass stopped in, expansive, wide open light brought into the house, combined with some of these traditional applied moldings, the raised panel, and adjusting that it's not just a half, it's not a 3/4, it's actually down a little bit more than a 3/4 would be, really just creates a really beautiful experience. And I think when you walk up to that front door, this has impact. So let's go ahead and talk about the inside. So you can see here, the beautiful details on the outside are completely matched by the style and design of the interior. Something that's so special about an entry door that's a dark color is that you can basically picture frame that view by doing a white interior trim. So that white interior trim, the dark entry door, just grabs your eye and has you focus on that entranceway. It literally picture frames what is an artful design in this house. So combining the beautiful chandelier, the gorgeous molding, the wallpaper that's on here, all of that surrounding and just encapsulating this focal point in this foyer of that entranceway. Everything just works together, and that beautiful gray umber paint echoed with the tile, echoed with the wallpaper, really just makes this pop with that white trim around it. A beautiful statement, a gorgeous house. The matte black hardware, The dark bronze hinges, all of it really just speaks to luxury and quality. And a door like this with those, again, those applied moldings, the raised panel, it just speaks to luxury. It just speaks high end, and Glenview does a masterful job on that. With the direct set side lights, pretty much glass going all the way to the floor, maximum glass on the side lights, really just adds again, another point of interest in that makes this door really so special, which is why we wanted to come out, because it's about having a client look at the project at the end and having that client say, like, we got it. And there's no better way to say you nailed it than when you have a visual like this. So if you'd like to have an experience like these folks had, if you'd like to have a custom door that all your neighbors are going to be jealous of, you should reach out to us. We'd love to talk with you about how you live, about what your goals are, so you can have a custom crafted experience that's going to wow your friends, that's going to be the first thing you see when you come home, the last thing you see when you leave. Really, arguably, the most important feature in a home is that entrance door. It's the focal point of a house. So if we can help you, please contact us. info@monmouthmillwork.com. Let's do a free consult. Let's talk about what your goals are, what you'd like to do, and let's get started.